here's another one. This one had these clips broken off, so the door wouldn't go onto place. The front cover, they actually had it taped up, being held on, which that wasn't gonna work. So what happened was it broke off the pieces here, these the bearings. Broke this guy completely off. The other one's still okay, but we're gonna replace it anyway. I'm gonna replace the whole thing. I'm gonna put a whole new kit on it. This is the kit. If you guys ever need it, that's it. It gives you your belt, new tensioner, bearings, and then it should have all these little. Should have 4 of those and 1 of those. And it looks like I lost one. Yep, I lost one somewhere. Anyway, you need 4 of these, 1 of these, tensioner, 2 of your wheels there, brand new belt, repair kit for your dryer. That's it right there. And basically that's what we're going to be doing in this one, repairing all that, making sure everything goes back into place pretty good. But initially, because these were not on there, is why it actually broke on both sides. They broke them off. They couldn't get the door off, and they broke them, and then they didn't know how to repair it. But these are the clips right here. This is the part number. That's what they look like. Matter of fact, let me open one up and show you. This is it right here. So this guy goes like that, and then these little hooks right here, they hold the door in place. Right in these little squares on both sides. Have to straighten that one out. But yeah, that's how it goes. It sits on here. These hold it into place so it doesn't come off. And that's pretty much it. This one was actually given to me. I left it on the side of the road, and someone said, "Hey, you fix dryers here, you can have it." I was like, cool. But that's what it was. So we'll continue with the video here in a minute. I'm going to put it all back together, and then we'll go from there.